Want to see the most powerful PC money can buy? No budget limits, just pure performance and insanity. Let's dive into the specs of this beast. We're talking about the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 7995WX with a jaw-dropping 96 cores and 192 threads. For graphics, we've got not one, but two NVIDIA RTX 4090s linked via NVLink, pure insanity. The motherboard, an ASUS ROG WRX 90E Sage SC, perfectly designed for Threadripper. Now let's not forget the RAM, 1TB of DDR5 running at a blistering 7200 MHz. Storage is equally wild with 48TB PCI Gen 5 SSDs and RAID 0, delivering insane speeds. Cooling this monster is a custom dual-loop liquid system with liquid metal, ensuring it stays frosty under pressure. And powering it all is a robust 2000-watt titanium PSU. Let's break down the cost. The CPU alone is 10 locks, with each GPU at 4 locks, totaling 8 locks for both. The motherboard is 1.5 locks, RAM at 4.5 locks, storage at 6 locks, cooling at 2.5 locks, and a PSU at 75,000. When you add in the case and extras, we're looking at over 35 locks, or around $40,000. Would you build this absolute monster of a PC, or would you buy a car instead? Comment below.